We are here today at my good buddy Trevor's house to install a K&N Next Gen intake on Rise 2016 Tacoma. That's not all we're here to do. To be honest, we're mostly here to eat pizza and drink beer and go swimming. But we have this Next Gen intake. There's a lot of benefits to it. We'll kind of run through it as we go for the install. The reason why we're doing it here and making pizza at the same time is because this Tacoma is Rise tow pig for your pizza oven. This is a new part of his business. It's kind of the next step in his life that he's going to be doing something outside of, what would you say is construction that you do?
Carpentry, yeah.
Carpentry work, so he's going to be a freaking pizza guy. Rise Pizza is phenomenal. Best that I've ever had, hands down. So we're here to eat some pizza, install some intake, drink some beer, and go swimming. Not a bad day.
This dough is a sourdough. I kind of tried other doughs recently and I've kind of gone back to the sourdough. Everyone likes it, so.
Kind of the whole thing with this too is that it's meant to be an easy install. It's easy to take the factory components off. It's even easier to replace them with K&N's components. And they do that so you can do stuff like this. You don't want to spend your entire time working on your freaking car. Hey, have you ever done a freaking air filter on this thing? Let's see if I can get this thing done before he burns the pizza. Let's take a look. This thing's pretty cool. These are for velocity, but that's why this is so much bigger than factory. The factory MAF bolts on here. The airbox is big. It's for maximum airflow, dude.
All right.
I think this is probably first. We didn't read the instructions, by the way. Probably should have.
Mike said that I get 20 wheel horsepower from this thing.
I think it's 22.
All right.
So the cool thing about this box is that it is an open box filter, which is definitely not common. A lot more power, way better fuel economy, but you also see how it went into the fender. That's because OEM vehicles kind of draw air through the fender. So this utilizes the same draw for fresh air, but it also can draw off the top. Makes a big difference for sure.
Mark dialed.
Ooh. See the crust in that thing? This is pretty easy considering we've got like 4 tools. And we're doing it in somebody's lawn. All right, dude, you got flour over here. As we get this thing to a close, just a couple of highlights that I wanted to integrate. The enlarged intake size, like this is much bigger than stock overall.
Where's the stock? Here?
Much bigger than stock overall, for sure. Yeah, look at the sizing. And that's kind of how they get the power and the airflow, and then the integrated airflow channels. Like, you know, they put it on a speed flow bench, the same thing that they flow heads on. They actually flow this thing to make sure that they put these in the right place and all of that. It's not just for no reason, dude. There she goes. Dude, and just look how all this lines up. It's so nice. Ooh, I like the black clamps, dude. Nice. Why are you making us do this when there's a pool over there? Okay. That's easy peasy. One final step, brother.
Oh.
I'll let you do the honors, right? Clip them on, dude. It's like this, yeah.
Like
orange
this.
on top, yeah, orange red, yeah.
Something like that.
Something like that. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Yeah. Let's see if we can scumbag Ryan to hitting the jump and doing the rallycross course, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what the best part is? I'm cutting this with dirty hands.
Hey.
Margarita?
Was it that bad?
One hit, right? Well,
Delicious.
Ooh.
What do you think, Mira? You want to try? Margarita? Can we get a 1-bite? Can we get a 1-bite review on that? We'll get Ripper to do a 1-bite review.
I'm doing a boom. Sorry.
A foldy?
Yep. Go.
I've never seen it done with 2 hands. I've never seen it sold. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You gotta oil the filter, dude. You gotta oil up the filter.
All right, let's see. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's nice.
Oh, wow. Wow. We're definitely above a hot and ready $5 deal.
Are you talking Little Caesars?
Yeah.
We're better than Little Caesars?
Right off the bat. Initial review better than Little Caesars. For sure.
All right.
I'm gonna go with a 8.2.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a good Chevy motor size.
That's good.
You know what I mean?
That's a big block Chev? It's a punched out big block Chev, 8.2?
No, 8.2 is 502 big block Chevy. Thing ripped, dude.
You're greasing up the filter, dude. You're greasing up the filter.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here with your, get out of here with
Let's
this.
go. Close her up, dude. Close her up. Let's go drink some beer and go for a swim.
Take it for a hot lap.